Hi. I need some help. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See ya.